Now we have had a look at the defenders section, naming each skill. We have had a look at the attackers section, naming each skill. Now we're going to put the two together, working with a partner. I will be the attacker. Mr. Thompson will be the defender. We're just going to count through this. We'll take it fairly slowly so you can have a good look at how the two halves of this, the two different sections, marry up together and work together. All right, Mr. Thompson?
Sir.
All right, I'm just going to take this by my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Sir.
That is Bo Kumitachi, and we've looked at the attackers section, naming techniques, naming the skills. We've looked at the defenders section, naming the skills. As we continue to work with this, we're going to put the two sections together, working it with a partner. We'll take it slowly at first, and then gradually we're going to build up our speed and power. Thank you for joining me.